Taylor Swift not only has several record-breaking albums under her belt, the latest being Midnights, but the American singer also owns $80 million in real estate. The singer owns a collection of luxurious homes across the United States, including a New York City penthouse and a $17 million Rhode Island mansion. America's sweetheart started her successful career ever since she was a teenager, and now at 32, the Grammy winner is an accomplished real estate mogul and, according to top10realestatedeals.com, owns approximately $81 million worth of property from New York to Nashville. Swift moved to New York City in 2014 and bought 2 penthouses in the star-studded neighborhood of Tribeca for $20 million. As if a penthouse is not enough, Taylor also bought an $18 million townhouse next door, and in 2018, she added to her impressive Manhattan real estate portfolio with another apartment in the same building for $9.75 million. Seems like things are going a bit too well for the anti-hero. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to explore Taylor Swift's $20 million famous New York penthouse and take a look at her net worth. So make sure to watch the video to the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Now, let's explore this beautiful, luxurious penthouse. The savvy star combined the 2 properties to create one huge penthouse with 8,309 square feet of living space, 10 bedrooms, and 10 bathrooms. The townhouse has a gorgeous design by the famed architect and designer Leopoldo Rosati. With beautiful wood paneling, skylights, and even a home theater, we have a feeling that Swift is spending plenty of good time in this penthouse. In homage to her Nashville roots, the Midnight Singer's pad has some serious rustic vibes, bringing the comfort of southern living into the big city. The penthouse's wooden floors and motifs are complemented by rich crimson walls and a cascading staircase that would be equally at home in a Victorian mansion. Plus, a large living room and fireplace area are equipped with several couches and seating spaces that are ideal for all those star-studded parties the singer is known to host. Best of all for the blank space singer, who likes cupcakes very much. The home has a huge kitchen with a double chef's quality stove, plentiful countertops, and a big island where she and her friends can sit around and chat as they cook up a storm. Does the luxurious penthouse contain a theater, a spa, a wet bar, a billiard space? This is next on our list to discover. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. The amenities of the New York Global Ambassador's penthouse are pretty insane. There's a gym, theater, spa, steam bar, and bars on its lowest level, plus a nanny/guest suite with its own entrance, a spacious great room with a fireplace, and a kitchen with limestone heated floors and a private wet bar. According to Tay, the penthouse is guarded by a former NYPD officer. Her security team stays in a $5 million apartment across the hall from her own. Crazy! This penthouse is literally all you could ever dream of. Speaking of dreams, the singer can afford to host her famous parties and girly nights at her penthouse and at her other $80 million worth of houses, thanks to her skyrocketing profits. In the US only, the singer's newest album, Midnights, sold over 800,000 pure copies on its first day, becoming the best-selling album of 2022, as it logged the biggest sales week for an album since Swift's own Reputation 2017, and marked the 3rd largest streaming week for a single album. The artist also became the first artist in history to claim the top 10 spots of the Billboard Hot 100 chart with songs from her new album Midnights. According to Forbes, Swift is worth $570 million and makes $180 million per year from her music and various brand deals and tours. The pop star has worked for global brands like Target, Sony, AT&T, CoverGirl, Verizon Wireless, Diet Coke, Keds, AirAsia, and many more for millions and millions of dollars. Swift's Reputation tour alone grossed $266.1 million in domestic revenue, making it the highest grossing tour in the United States history. Wow! And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about Taylor's penthouse and her astonishing net worth figures and sales? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.